Understanding Meddling in Affairs, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, meddling in affairs. It's a phrase you might come across in books, movies, or even in daily conversations. Understanding its meaning and how to use it can really help you sound more like a native speaker. So, let's dive into the world of meddling and learn all about it. Meddling in affairs refers to the act of interfering or getting involved in situations that don't concern one. It's when someone tries to influence or change the outcome of events that are not their business. The word meddling carries a negative connotation, implying that the interference is unwanted or inappropriate. And affairs can refer to any situation, problem, or activity that someone is dealing with. To better understand this phrase, let's look at some examples. Imagine a neighbor who always gives unsolicited advice about how you should raise your kids. This neighbor is meddling in your affairs. In a workplace, if a coworker tries to influence the boss's decision about your project without being asked, they are meddling in affairs that don't concern them. These examples show that meddling is not just about being curious. It's about crossing boundaries into someone else's personal or professional space. Now that you know what it means, let's see how to use it. I wish she would stop meddling in my affairs. I can manage my own life. The company got into trouble for meddling in political affairs. It was a bad move on their part. Notice how the phrase can be used in both personal and broader contexts, making it versatile in conversation and writing. If someone is meddling in your affairs, how should you respond? It's important to set boundaries and communicate them clearly. You might say, "I appreciate your concern, but I prefer to handle this on my own. Please focus on your own tasks. I've got this covered." It's always best to respond politely but firmly, ensuring the meddler understands your stance. And that wraps up our exploration of meddling in affairs. Remember, while it's natural to be curious about others, there's a fine line between being interested and meddling. We hope this video has been enlightening and will help you navigate English conversations with greater confidence. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful English language content. See you in the next video.